All right, Sam, let's make some animal noises. What noise does a dog make? What about a cat? What about a turkey? Whoa. What about a sheep? And what about an owl? Whoa. What about a monkey? And what about a bear? Yeah. And what about a duck? And a frog? And a bird? And what about a pig? Wow, way to go. How about a cow? Yeah. And what about a horse? And what about a bee? Yeah. Oh, you got to stay away from bees, don't you? Yeah. Well, that was great, Sam. I think you know more, but I don't remember all of them. So that was really good. Monty thought so too. All right, Sam. Good job. Say goodbye.